Today's world faces a numerous amount of problems.
The energy crisis is one of the biggest problems of today.
In this video, we will be addressing BP and the energy crisis.
BP is one of the largest vertically integrating oil and gas companies in the world. The company's operations primarily include the exploration and production of gas and crude oil, as well as the marketing and trading of natural gas, power, and natural gas liquids. BP's core business area is based on finding and extracting oil and gas as well as selling fuel. BP has also ventured into other business fields such as alcohol, Aero Castro, AMPM, and the Wild Bean Cafe. Even though each brand has its own heritage and personality, they all have one thing in common. They all symbolize, embody, or provide tremendous energy. All these companies are joined with British Petroleum Organization. BP has transformed, growing from a local oil company into a global energy group, employing over 80,000 people and operating in over 100 countries worldwide. BP operates in 6 different continents, which are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, as well as Australia. BP's business has a network of more than 50 strategic distributors and an annual turnover of more than 200 million. And sales of BP and Castrol lubricants in CIS are growing annually.
Using the SWOT analysis, we can determine the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to BP. Investments in the research of alternative fuel methods, including hydrogen, natural gas, wind and solar, over the fourth decade, and an expansion for frontier areas that is suitable for BP's future reserve as an opportunity for the organization. Some of the threats that facing BP is environmentally unsound policies due to oil and tax expel and competition from companies within the same industry. The energy crisis is an economic problem caused by a dwindling supply of energy at increasing price. Global demand for energy is expected to increase. Climate change is already at the top of the agenda for world leaders, and many countries are acting to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. BP is investing in emerging energy technology and exploring new energy possibilities toward a green environment.
The threat of new competitors against BP is low level, as cost of machinery and technology required to be successful within the oil and gas field needs significant investments, therefore creating a barrier for new potential entrants. Suppliers' powers in the case of BP is low level, as BP has invested in over 6 other continents worldwide, giving BP the tool of manipulation in terms of bargaining powers regarding price, as they can go elsewhere for business. BP is a powerful brand, as the organization is dominant worldwide, so suppliers associate the brand with importance, as BP contributes positively to the economy. Oil and gas are 2 of the most relied on energy sources worldwide, as there are no other alternative energy sources that have not been developed further enough, so the threat of substitute is quite low to BP. But competitive prices from other industries pose a threat, as customers are willing to change their buying habits in pursuit of value for money. Because of competitive prices offered readily to customers by other suppliers, buyers have higher power over BP. BP's operations are situated in several countries, so they have to take into account political issues and situations in order to have better relations with their customers and employees. An increase on BP's demands will benefit the economic situation as well as BP's investors. BP demonstrates its values in society with a strong commitment by making a positive contribution to a cleaner environment. In addition to this, BP is at the forefront of international solar electric industry and is the largest manufacturer of solar electric modules and systems. Space satellites used to gather military intelligence on the ground are proving successful at monitoring carbon dioxide stored deep underground. These are all some of the technologies that BP uses in order to get the best oil and gases for their company. By implementing the internal process model, BP sustains control and maintains stability. BP introduced an academy, a forum for discussion among the leaderships in the project community about how projects are executed and how they should be executed. Encouraged by this positive experience with the project academy, BP is now considering an operations excellence program modeled along similar lines to help bring about a step change in the way BP operates its assets worldwide. We believe BP should use the rational goal model as it's in favor of maximization of output and centers on productivity. This can only help BP move forward as a company and maximize its profit in the long run.